Hi, go to new project. You can see the stock photo. And you add it by clicking on the plus sign. You can extend it by dragging the black photograph along, or stock image. Once you've done that, you add it, and then you can click on add text. And once you've added the text, you can change the text. So there you can see I selected a particular text there, and then you can click on make long lasting, so it lasts for as long as a video clip. And once you've added that, you can expand it by moving it with your fingers. You can play around with it. You can put keyframes in, like I'm doing, up in the top right hand corner above the video frame. You can see like a little triangle, and as you move it, you click on the triangle, and then you can move the keyframe along and video clip along and add whatever you want. So the video frame moves like this, so it expands, gets closer, it all changes. So then we go up to top right hand corner and we export the file. And then you click on done. Then we go to new project and we add the picture of the lady running along the beach. And then we click on overlay and add an overlay of a lady running on the beach. And then we're going to expand the video of the lady running on the beach. So we just do that with our fingers by highlighting the clip down below the overlay and then just moving it with our fingers to make it larger. And then we're going to click on the top video footage and then highlight it, and then we click on split and delete. So we've got a short video clip now with the overlay on the top. Happy holidays. When you're done with that, you go down to splice. And then once you've gone on to splice and you're happy with everything, you can then go to, you've got to click on darken. Clicked on the wrong one there, so there it is, darken. So as the video clip runs, it reveals the lady running behind. So this would enhance your holiday videos. If you was, you could have a title of a holiday video or some event or whatever, and reveal the image behind. So that would be great for an intro, wouldn't it? So if you like this video, please like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this.